In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Vivo's latest flagship device, the IQOO 13, which is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This phone is a bit of a departure from the usual Snapdragon 8 Elite flagships we've seen, as IQOO has opted for a more aggressive pricing strategy and skipped the Pro model for now. While the price is lower than some of its competitors, don't be fooled, this phone isn't lacking in features. IQOO has focused on delivering high-end performance and quality without the unnecessary extras. So let's see what that means for the IQOO 13. Starting with the unboxing experience, the box itself has a clean, modern design, and I get the 16GB with 512GB storage variant. You also have a base model option that include 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Upon lifting the lid, the first thing you'll notice is the IQOO 13 sitting inside its protective plastic cover. I get the white variant, which features a fiberglass back with a matte finish, designed to resist fingerprints and smudges. However, the polished metal frame does attract fingerprints a bit more easily. In terms of color options, the black model is standard, but you can also get it in Legend Edition, white, green, or gray. And for this IQOO partner with BMW M Motorsport. The design itself feels very ergonomic, with a flat display that has just a slight 2.5D curve on the edges and a subtle curvature on the back. The phone measures just under 8 mm in thickness. The rear camera setup follows IQOO's signature MI style array, minus the periscope lens, and is nice and slim. Also, there's a small RGB ring around the camera module, because what flagship would be complete without some RGB? Inside the box, alongside the phone, you'll find the typical accessories: a SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, and a black TPU case. The charging setup includes a USB Type-C to Type-C cable with white accents and a 120W Vivo flash charger. The IQOO 13 packs an impressive 6,150 mAh silicon carbide battery, which supports ultra-fast charging, 50% in just 12 minutes, and a full charge in about 30 minutes. However, there's no wireless charging, which may be a deal breaker for some, but the phone does come with an IP68 and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, which is a nice touch. For security, the phone uses an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that works even when your hands are wet. This is a feature that's great for everyday use, especially in humid or rainy conditions. The display is a 6.82-inch 10-bit OLED panel with a sharp 2K 144Hz Ultra Eye Care display, giving it a pixel density of 510 ppi. The display also supports a variable refresh rate up to 144 Hz and 80 Hz LTPO technology, meaning it can adjust its refresh rate dynamically based on what you're doing. In terms of brightness, it can peak at a dazzling 1850 nits, making it excellent for outdoor visibility. Even at this price point, it's impressive to see such a high-quality OLED panel. IQOO could have opted for a less expensive 1.5K panel to lower costs, but instead, they've stuck with a premium 2K OLED, which is a nice touch. The audio experience is equally impressive, with asymmetrical stereo speakers that prevent accidental muffling while gaming or watching videos. Now, let's get to the most important part: performance. IQOO 13 is one of the first smartphones powered by Qualcomm's latest flagship mobile platform, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, bringing users a supreme and pristine performance experience. The device also features IQOO's supercomputing Q2 gaming chip. The IQOO Q2 chip sets a new standard in mobile gaming by offering exceptional graphics, quality-to-power performance, delivering 2K resolution and 144 FPS for ultra-clear, fluid visuals. With its super resolution and super frame rate technologies, it achieves PC-grade graphics on a mobile device, while zero-latency frame interpolation ensures smooth gameplay with no lag or stutter. What truly sets the Q2 apart is its ability to maintain high frame rates with incredibly low power consumption, optimizing both performance and battery life without compromise. Whether you're gaming at high resolutions or in fast-paced action, the Q2 chip offers unbeatable efficiency and power, providing a premium gaming experience that lasts longer and performs better. We run all three Test Antutu, Geekbench, and Wildlife stress test. And in my test, you get around 27 Lock Antutu score. And in Geekbench, you get 3,068 in single-core score and 9,591 in multi-core score, and in Wildlife Stress Test, it maintained around 74 to 75% stability. The IQOO 13 managed to maintain a more consistent performance than other Snapdragon 8 Elite phones, with better heat management. Therefore, now I can easily say that this can beat your so-called Samsung Ultra or iPhone 16 Pro Max series, which launch above 1 lakh, and the time come when we can say that now smartphones are powerful as gaming laptops. The IQOO 13 runs on FunTouch 15, based on Android 15, offering a clean, smooth experience. But the variant which launch in China come with Oxygen OS, but the overall experience should be quite similar. Some cool software features include an AI eraser for removing unwanted objects from photos and a range of customizable options for the RGB lighting around the camera. You can set it to light up in various scenarios like when charging, receiving notifications, or while gaming. If you love having that extra flair, this is a nice touch. Camera. As for the cameras, IQOO has always prioritized performance over camera tech, and that trend continues with the IQOO 13. Moving toward the camera section, it comes with 50-megapixel IMX921 VCS True Color camera, which support 8K video recording, and 50-megapixel Sony IMX816 telephoto camera, and third one is again 50-megapixel JN1 ultra-wide-angle camera and 32-megapixel front camera. So here are the few camera samples. Final thoughts. Is this the right phone for you? Overall, the IQOO 13 is a fantastic device if you're looking for flagship-level performance at a more affordable price. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, vibrant 2K OLED display, lightning-fast charging, and solid build quality make it a great option for those who prioritize performance. What do you think? Does the IQOO 13 make sense for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!